Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Forza Horizon 5 on PC and laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements, like having at least 8 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection. Next, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Once it loads, go to the search bar and type Forza Horizon 5, then select it from the results. After opening the game page, you'll see the option to buy the game. Choose your preferred edition, then proceed with the payment using your available method like a card or other options. Once the purchase is complete, click Install to start downloading the game to your PC. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Keep in mind the game is quite large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. After installation, you can launch the game and start playing. And that's how you download Forza Horizon 5 on your PC or laptop. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.